Hi, what's your good name?
Hi, my name is Zara.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing good. How old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
Okay. What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I'm a teacher.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Ritika. You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 6:30 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 6:30 p.m.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
This is how we come to know that for speaking fluent English, there is no need to read all the grammar rules. We can just start with the basic words. We can listen to more audios and videos and try to speak the words clearly and slowly.